The U-Natural Spa cluster now stands at 5 cases in one of the worst situations the state has faced during the pandemic.
Today we are raising the alarm. We need everyone in Perth and Peel to take this situation very seriously.
Authorities have developed a theory for how the cluster began.
What we think has happened is one of the employees of the business has been at an exposure site with the initial case, which was the mother of the woman who came in from Tasmania.
But a high-risk environment and the likelihood all are infected with the Omicron variant has authorities on high alert.
There is a serious concern from the Chief Health Officer that we will not be able to get on top of this Coburn cluster.
And with low testing numbers came a stern message from the Premier for anyone who had been at the Applecross Spa between January 7 and 13.
Do not hesitate. Do not assume you're fine because you have no symptoms. You must go and get tested.
Also of concern, only 11 people at the spa used the Safe WA app during the week-long exposure period.
We know many more people have attended this business since January 6, and we urge you to come forward for testing immediately.
Omicron is particularly worrisome because it's more infectious than Delta, and if people are not checking in, it's very worrying because ultimately people will have contracted the illness and will not know who they are and where they are.
There are also dozens of other exposure sites, including another spa in Mount Lawley, where at least one positive case worked.
Particularly given the number of local cases we have picked up this weekend alone, we have to assume there are more cases of Omicron in our community.
The situation prompting the government to take action.
We know that masks have a significant impact in helping stop the spread of the virus. It's important we all do our bit to help limit the spread.
It's all going to make for a nervous few days as authorities work to track and contain the latest outbreak. But even with Omicron spreading through the community and WA's double-dose vaccination rate sitting at 87%, the Premier is standing firm on his reopening date of February 5.
What we've seen in other states is the let-it-rip strategy has been a mistake. And so we are trying to get it under control using measures that we know work.
The Premier says authorities are also looking at what else can be done to bring the outbreak under control. Kian Burke, ABC News.